Disable Windows Server 2012 automatic log-off. I have been searching for a while, but I don't find a solution for this anywhere. I'm in a factory and they have Windows Server 2012 with an human-machine interface on it. They have computers that they can log on the server to access the HUMI. However, every 15 minutes they are logged off of their session automatically. This is really annoying because they have to do it 50 times a day. How can I disable that feature?
Quoting from TechNet. To specify timeout and reconnection settings for a remote session. On the road session host server, open remote desktop session host configuration. To open remote desktop session host configuration, click Start, point to Administrative Tools, point to Remote Desktop Services, and then click Remote Desktop Session Host Configuration. Under Connections, right-click the name of the connection, and then click Properties. In the Properties dialog box for the connection, on the Sessions tab, select the following options as necessary. Select the Override User Settings checkbox, and then set timeout settings for End a Disconnected Session, Active Session Limit, and Idle Session Limit. Select the Override User Settings checkbox, and then select one of the following reconnection settings, disconnect from session or end session. Click OK. Changes to timeout and reconnection settings are not applied to sessions that are connected when the change is made. The changes will take effect the next time the user establishes a new connection to the road session host server. You can also configure timeout and reconnection settings by applying the following group policy settings. Set time limit for disconnected sessions. Set time limit for active but idle remote desktop services sessions. Set time limit for active remote desktop services sessions. Terminate session when time limits are reached. These group policy settings are located in the following locations. These group policy settings can be configured by using either the local group policy editor or the Group Policy Management Console, GPMC.
On Windows Server 2012 R2. Local Security Policy and GT, Local Policies / Security Options. Microsoft Network Server. Amount of idle time required before suspending session. 15 minutes is default.
It would seem that the policy for the RDP sessions are set to disconnect after a period of time, 15 minutes. Do you manage the Windows 2012 server? If it is another department, contact them, as this may be a policy that they apply at the domain level. Also note they may wish this disconnect to happen to avoid too many sessions or someone accidentally making a change.
If you want to support the show, please consider subscribing.